Miserable. Last night was miserable. Tonight is the first night that I am going to combine carnivore diet with HRT, hormone replacement therapy. If you're new here, my name is Ro, and I have been on the carnivore diet for 1 year with 1,000 of my closest friends. And I am entering in year 2, and I'm starting to kick it up. One of the decisions I've made is to get on HRT, and you can see the details of that decision in this video here. I've also decided to kick it up with exercise, but this particular video is about my first night on HRT. So I have had this medicine for about 2 weeks, and I got it from a women's clinic online called MIDI, M-I-D-I. And I met with my doctor a couple of days ago. I took her the medicine. I've completely been approved for it. The doctor knows that I am on carnivore. And today I have had all of my blood work done, which you can see in that video that I mentioned before. And tonight is the night that I am okayed as a go to start, and I've never been on medicine for like a really long time. So I've just been a little, anxious about it, right? Because once you start, this is going to be something that I'm going to be doing for probably a few years, right? I am not in full-blown menopause, but I am in perimenopause, okay? I wanted to share my first night on this stuff with you guys. Well, because I know that a lot of you are on the HRT, you've shared your journey with me. So I wanted to share my journey with you, and I'm going to be documenting everything, starting with tonight and letting you know how I feel tomorrow morning. So the first thing that I am on is estradiol, and estradiol is a bit of a low dosage. My doctor actually said she would have prescribed more, but MIDI has placed me on 0.0375 milligrams. So this is the patch, and I'm not really sure where to put it, so we'll see where it lands. And then I'm also on progesterone. Did I say that right? Progesterone? Progesterone. And I'm on 100 milligrams of progesterone. And I'm excited about this one because carnivore has improved my sleep. I used to wake up every hour on the hour. And now on carnivore, I can sleep 3 to 4 hours before waking up. However, I'm not sleeping through the entire night. I would love to be asleep for 5 to 6 hours without waking up. And I'm told that progesterone is what's going to help with sleep. So I'm really excited about this one. So this one's easy. This is just going to be a pill to take, but this one is a little tiny patch. A little tiny patch. Can you guys see that little outline? It's a little tiny patch. I don't know if you can see it. And I'm not sure where to put this. So I need to figure that out. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do what's easiest, and I'm just gonna take the pill. So it's a little ball of progesterone. So let's try that. Okay, I've taken it. Oh my God. Oh, I can't, just the thought of being on medicine for a really long time, just makes me feel some sort of way, because as you guys know, I started carnivore wanting to get healthy because I didn't want to be on prescription medicine as I got older. I wanted to be on vitamins and supplements, but not prescription medicine. And here I am with prescription medicine. But it is what it is. So next is to figure out how to put on this little patch. I've watched a few videos on this patch. I don't know how to open this. Do I just rip it? Okay. We didn't rip the patch. Okay. So I have watched a few videos on where to place the patch. And I guess the most common area is in the front of your lower belly. Well, that's great if you have a flat belly. And I know. So we're not going with the front bottom belly. So other places it says that I can put this patch on is on my hip on my lower back. Wow. This is tiny. Look at this little itty bitty patch. This little itty bitty patch is supposed to stay on for 3 to 4 days. It's supposed to release estrogen 24 hours a day. It's supposed to release estrogen. Like, wow, look how tiny that is. Okay, so now I have to figure out how to get this on. Let's go do that. So here's the patch. I peeled it off. I saw a video where a woman said to blow dry it for 10 seconds. She said to blow dry it for 10 seconds because it will really melt the adhesive and make it really stick really good. Okay, so it's only been a few seconds since I've placed the patch on, and I swear I think I feel a little bit of a sting. A little sting? Is that normal? I don't know, but is this gonna go away or do I need to get used to it? Can you guys tell me, is the sting normal with the estradiol patch? I don't know. Okay, I did it. All right, okay. So I'm now going to pause the video and I'm gonna come back in the morning and let you know how I felt and how I slept. I mean, it's only day 1, right? I mean, I'm not expecting a huge miracle tonight, right? I'm hopeful that I'll sleep better than I have been, but it's only been day 1. I guess it might, take a minute to get into my system. And I'm hoping that the collagen starts to, flow back into my face because I feel like everything's dropping. So I'm looking forward to it and I'm hopeful. I'm hopeful that this is going to, even tonight, man, I really hope that the hot flashes, I haven't had that dripping wet night sweat, thing, but I am starting to sweat, wake up a little wet and my pillow just a little wet or moist. And so I know that those really big night sweats are coming. And so I'm hoping that I am intercepting them and that they won't ever come. So that's my hope. All right, I'll see you in a few. Miserable. Last night was miserable. Okay, let me tell you why. So I didn't really think that I was going to have like this amazing night last night. I mean, I was hoping for more sleep. I was hoping for no hot flashes or warm flashes, but I wasn't expecting it to be worse than what it is without the estrogen and the progesterone, right? I wasn't expecting it to be worse. And I will tell you that it was worse. Worst part of last night is that I woke up every hour to every hour and a half. Every hour to every hour and a half. When I have improved on Carnivore to waking up every 3 and 4 hours. But last night it was every hour to every hour and a half. The only thing I can think of is that I was hoping to sleep like 4 and 5 hours, right? So I kept waking up to look at the clock. Maybe that was it. Maybe it wasn't that HRT was keeping me up, but maybe it was me being overly excited and hoping that, I was going to go to bed at 12 and then I wasn't going to wake up till 4 or 5. But that didn't happen. I kept looking at the clock every hour to an hour and a half. Also, I was overly worried about pulling the patch off because it's on my backside. And rolling over, I kept thinking, is it still on? Is it still on? Did I like swoosh it off? I don't know, but it's still on. It's like really, really on. I blow dried it last night, if you saw that. So it's really, really on, but I was worried the whole night that rolling over was going to pull it off. So I'm tired. I don't know. I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. My eyes are red. They're burning, actually. I'm exhausted today. And then, of course, I think I had a couple of warm flashes last night. I remember throwing the covers off of me probably twice and really getting in front of the fan probably twice. So it's day 1, right? It's day 1. So I should be more realistic. Okay. So I'm committed to this for months and months and months, right? Or years and years and years if it works. But months just to see if it works. Okay, so I will be on this for months and I will let you know what my journey is on Carnivore diet, plus HRT. All right, join us if you haven't. Subscribe so you can see my journey. Let us know what your health journey is. We'd love to support you. I'll see you guys on the inside.